Hello student, my name is Rajan Kumar. This is the second video on surface area and volume. It is a topic of mathematics for class 10. In this video, I will discuss double cone concept. Okay, look at this ABC. It is a right angle triangle. Okay, ABC, it is a right angle triangle. Angle B is given 90 degrees. Okay. The length of AB is 3 centimeter, the length of BC is 4 centimeter. According to Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the AC. AC equal to under root 3 square plus 4 square, that means 5 centimeter. Now the question is there, this right angle triangle, which hypotenuse is AC, this right angle triangle is revolved along its hypotenuse. It's revolved by 360 degree along its hypotenuse, then double cone is formed. One cone name is AB A dash, another cone name is BC A dash B. We have to find the volume of this double cone. Volume of upper cone AB A dash A and volume of down cone BC A dash B. Now, how could I do this one? So look, it is from the center. If you draw the perpendicular to this hypotenuse, it will be perpendicular here. So angle BOC will be 90 degree. Okay, because ABC is a right angle triangle, this is the angle B, that is 90 degree. From this perpendicular, if you draw from this point of perpendicular, if you draw perpendicular on hypotenuse, so OB is also perpendicular. Okay, now this will be the radius. Look at this. How could we find the length of this OB? So first you find the area of triangle ABC. BC is 4, AB is 3 centimeter. The area of triangle ABC, half into BC into AB, half into 4 into 3. Then calculated 6 centimeter square. Now area of triangle ABC by the help of hypotenuse and this perpendicular, half into AC into OB. Half into AC into OB, AC value is 5, OB value is taken as R, so half into 5 into R. So ABC triangle area 4 and 3 and ABC triangle area AC and OB. By the both way, you can find the area of ABC. So if you equate this value, half into 5 into R, and that is 6 centimeter by this method, and we can find the radius of this cone. Now, radius of cone we know, and height of cone AB A dash A will be OA, and height of below cone BC A dash B will be OC. Okay. Now look here, volume of double cone ABC A dash. ABC A dash A. A also right here. Yes, it will complete. Closed. Now, volume of cone AB A dash A, volume of cone BC A dash B. The volume of cone, this is the 1 by 3 pi R square H. R we have to use this one, and H is A to O, vertical height. Now 1 by 3 pi square H. The 1 by 3 pi R is this, OC is the height. The 1 by 3 pi R square, 1 by 3 pi square, we can take common, OA and OC is in bracket. Now, OA and OC become AC. The 1 by 3 pi square into AC. 1 by 3 pi value 22 by 7, R value 12 by 5 whole square, and AC is 5 centimeter. It is already calculated. If you do the calculation, then volume will be 30.144 centimeter. Okay. Now I am going to discuss second video. Okay. Second video, this is based on the number of points. Points given, thickness given, how many points are melted to make a cylinder. We have to solve the question on the basis of this. Look at this. Find the number of points, 1.5 centimeter diameter. Second question. This is the coin, just like a cylindrical shape. Like this, it is a coin. 1.5 centimeter is the diameter. Diameter is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, diameter. Then radius equal to 1.5 by 2. That means point remove 0. That means 3 by 4 centimeter. Now these points are used to make a cylinder. Which type of cylinder? Cylinder having height 10 centimeter. Cylinder having height 10 centimeter. Okay, height 10 centimeter. And diameter is given 4.5. Diameter is given 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now radius will be 4.5 by 2. Point remove 0, the 9 by 4 centimeter. Okay, so how many coins? This is the coin. How many coins we have to melt and change into a cylinder? The number of coins, volume of one coin equal to volume of big cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Okay. So number of coin pi r square. R is given 3 by 4 square. H how much? H how much? What is the thickness of this coin? Thickness if coin is given 12 mm. This is 12 mm. H equal to 12 mm. And 1.2 cm. Okay. So we can write here 1.2 cm whole cube equal to pi r square h. Pi 9 by 4 square. H is given 10. Now pi cancel. Now n equal to n into 9 by 16. 112 by 10 equal to 81 by 16 into 10. 16 no more. What is the value of n? The n equal to 10 into 10, 81 into 10 into 10 divided by 9 into 12. 9 into 12. So here it is 9 times, 3 times, 4 times, and here it is 5 times. There it is also 5 times. So here it is 75 points. How many number of points? 75 points are used and they are melted and to make a big cylinder. I think so you understand this video. Now, one more small question I am going to discuss you. The question it is on the basis of this one. How many silver coin? Again it is coin. Okay. Now leave this. It's over. Thank you.